Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ecomhunt for trending product discovery. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type ecomhunt.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button to create your account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Fill in the required fields and then click on the Get Started button. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link from Ecomhunt. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Ecomhunt website and log in with your credentials. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the trending section on the homepage. Here, you will find a list of trending products available for discovery. Click on any product to view detailed information and analytics. To download Ecomhunt's app, scroll down to the footer of the website. Look for the links to the app for your mobile device, either on iOS or Android. Click on the appropriate link for your device, which will redirect you to the App Store. Once in the App Store, click on the Download or Install button. After the app finishes downloading, open it on your device. Log in with your Ecomhunt account details to start exploring trending products. Now you can easily access trending product insights anytime, anywhere. Remember to regularly check for updates and new products to stay ahead of the competition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.